Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example, and my name is Chien. Today is day 16. I would like to talk about how to read the data from a text file in Java using the FileReader class. Okay, so actually we have done in two previous video, the day 14 and 15. We already do the same thing, reading the data from a text file, but using another way. The first way we are using the buffer reader, and the second way we are using the scanner class to read the data. And today I will demo another way using the file reader. Okay, so now let's get started. Minimize this one and I will open the Eclipse. Okay, here so inside Eclipse I have main package, and now I go ahead to create a new class. Okay, this class should be contain the main method. So here I will name it is read data text file using um, this one will be using the file reader. Okay, click on finish button. So here in order to work with the file reader, we have to import a IO library of the cycle. We will be support for this one. So now here we have to provide the path of the DXT file. Okay, here I will show you the DXT file. Inside of the D drive we have a test.txt file. So here it contains some the message. Okay, see. Okay, here I have just add new message into this file. Close this one, and here we will use the file. Okay, here so here we will throw the exception. No, throw exception. So here we have FileReader mr equal new FileReader d test. Okay, cool. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay. Okay, here it contains the warning message. FileReader, sorry. Okay. And here I will create a new integer result. y result equal fr dot read. Okay, so here for y we will check result dot read, it is not equal 1 minus and system dot print. Okay, so now here try to run this application. Exception. Cannot find the path of specific. Cannot find. Okay, here. Cannot find. Okay, let me see. Oh no, Day16. Yeah, so here it is displaying the text line by line. Okay, remove this one. Yeah, so here instead of display, instead of print line, so here we just go the print, and it will display order the message from the text file here. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and after you finish this video you know how to use the file reader to read the data from the text file and display it into our application. Okay, so here I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye, see you later.